Have you ever wanted to learn Georgian? Georgia is a country in the Black Sea and one that more people can trace their lineage to than they may realize. But what are the biggest reasons and why should you learn it over other larger languages? Well, to start, Georgian is the official language of the country of Georgia and is spoken as a first language by nearly 90% of the population. So knowing Georgian opens you up to the entire country, a country that has strong industries in agriculture, winemaking, mining, and woodworking. For anyone looking into working in any of those industries, will find that Georgian is a deeply useful language. And for those who want to get in touch with their Georgian roots, learning the language opens you up to all the history, culture, and literary traditions, going all the way back to the 5th century. And what a better way to learn about your heritage than through the language. Now, the road to learning Georgian isn't always going to be easy, of course. That's exactly why we've put together this comprehensive guide to beginner Georgian. In this course, we are going to take you through the first steps of your Georgian journey, from an absolute beginner to an intermediate level. Our lessons will cover everything from teaching you how to read and write in Georgian, to pronouncing the words correctly, to conjugating verbs and forming sentences to express yourself and describe the world around you. You'll even learn a lot of cultural tips along the way about how to use your newfound Georgian skills correctly in the complicated social rules of Georgia. So why pick this course? There are hundreds of courses out there, but here's why ours is the best. For starters, the combination of grammar, vocabulary, and syntax you'll be taught will allow you to comfortably handle many day-to-day situations, as well as give you a very solid foundation upon which to continue your Georgian studies. Secondly, we don't just teach you the theory. Each lesson is accompanied by numerous examples and exercises to help you understand and practice what you're learning. We've also included revision lessons and dedicated practice lessons to really test your language retention. Finally, the course is designed and taught by a language teacher with years of experience in teaching foreign languages. That's what makes it easy to follow and master even for a complete beginner. So if you want to learn Georgian in a fun and simple way, this is the course for you. I promise you, you won't regret it.